अगला मुझे पढ़ के बहुत लुत्फ आएगा कि जॉय ऑफ उर्दू के लिए खत अंग्रेजी में है। ये जॉय ऑफ उर्दू की नियत को, उसकी हैसियत को, उसकी हैयत को जाहिर करता है। अली रजा फ्रिस्को टेक्सास से लिखते हैं, If I remember correctly, it was Tadbir and Taqdeer words mentioned during Umrao Janada episode. If appropriate, you can ask her about inspiration, favorite writer and poet, who influenced her personality, how she evolved in her thinking. Was there any event in her life which had an impact on her life as she evolved reading only books? Then Simmo Zaidi from Karachi, she writes, watching Himakate is not only a source of immense enjoyment for me, but has also increased my love for the language tremendously. Bahut shukriya. The reading along with explanation in these programs are exemplary in terms of nuances, satire, and humor. Kohre ke Piche being one of my favorites is one of my favorites too. Congratulations and gratitude to Zarmeen Ansari and Arfazara Sahiba for bringing this enrichment into my life. आप यकीन मान लीजिए कि मेरे लिए ये सब लोग अजनबी हैं, इसलिए ये मत जानिएगा कि इन्होंने मेरे और ज़रमीने के ख्याल में ये इतनी बातें लिख दी। ये सब बातें उर्दू की मोहब्बत और उर्दू के ख्याल में हैं। शमीम अब्दुल्ला, न्यू दिल्ली से, I really enjoyed the reading of short story by Premchand Shatranj Ke Khiladi, brought back the film by Satyajit Ray with all its scenes and shades to life. Actors Sanjeev Kumar and Saeed Jafri playing the game and oblivious to the tragedy unfolding the nation and its people. The decadence and the moral corruption engulfing the people, the sadness of the decline of an era, it all came back so vivid. The reading of the conversation of these two totally self-absorbed friends almost seemed like one is watching the film all over again. Also, the explanations of various phrases and turn of sentences was an eye-opener. Shehrazad Ki Maut was also delightful. Enjoyed it thoroughly, and though I am a recent viewer, my Urdu is coming back fast. Wa shukriya. And I'm using a lot of words I had forgotten. Congratulations to the whole team for giving us such fabulous programs, so well thought out, put together, and so beautifully presented with erudite scholars. Thank you for this adjective, though basically it is the literature, the language that enriches us and you both. Absolute delight to watch and listen to Dr. R. Fazera is a treasure to love and cherish. मैं शर्मसार होती हूँ और मैं बहुत ममनून भी हूँ, बहुत शुक्रगुजार।